Hey guys, welcome back. I'm coming to a day of. It's Monday morning. Didn't have time last night to get out here. Had to help my sister move and got back kind of late, so I thought I'd do it this morning. So don't got much time out here, but I think we're going to focus underneath the rails and try to get those ground down painted and inside the plates right here on this rear section. And I think that might be all we get done today, but enough talking. Let's get on there, grind some high points down, and throw some paint, and then hopefully next time we can move on to something else. But let me kind of show you what the spots that we're going to be tackling looks like. All right, I don't know if you can tell, but we got some high spots on this side, and I got one right there. You can kind of see it. And we are gonna sand this down in here and paint it. And same way over here. Get these braces back here. Get all those painted. Probably can get paint all over that area, but oh well. I need to disconnect the emergency brake cables. Just need to get that completely out of the way. And it's going looping through this arm here, and I don't know if that's a good thing or not. But anyways, today, a little more sanding, some more painting, grinding, the usual, and hopefully next time we move on to something else. But that's what we're doing today. Also, before I forget, I bought paint for the suspension parts. I got some Krylon Rust Tough. It's supposed to be like a matte black finish, but anyways, it'll be like this color. I don't think they'll look too bad. All this and the leaf springs and all the connections back there and that whole rear end hopefully will be all that color, which we can go ahead and take this off and spray this down with some super clean, get all the grease and everything off of it, and possibly paint it soon. But we do need to weld those down there. So anyways, let's jump under here right quick and get this taken care of. Alright, I think we got it ready. To keep me remind myself this is a professional paint job, because I would really like to get all the rust off. We knocked the surface rust off. There's no pitting or any kind of delamination, so we'll open this self-etching primer and kind of work as a rust barrier, but I guess only time will tell. Anyways, I think we're ready for paint. Gonna clean off all the spare metal and throw some paint down and see what it looks like. So let's get wiping down and we'll put some paint on here in a minute. Alright, I think it's good enough. I'll get some paint down and hopefully it will take. It's pretty cold out of here, so I'll take a little bit for it to dry, but let's start shaking some cans. All right, we got it done. I think don't look half bad. I kind of went ahead and got underneath again. There's some bare spots that kind of missed last time, or I guess the first time we went under the frame. So touched up a few of them and got the bottom almost done. Somebody's texting me. Anyways, let me flip you around here and we'll kind of go over what we done. Alrighty, we gotta run there, but some of this was, you kind of see the metal through, so went and hit it again, and I try to get these cups, but you can see I didn't do a very good job. What we did do, though, got those painted, got underneath the rails, pretty good. That little cup painted underneath here, so everything's good, except for this corner up here, and we're gonna get somebody to come help weld that. While they're here, somebody weld these too. Get those squared away, and then we can take these arms off. Actually, might need some gussets on these too, because that kind of was you kind of see it moving down there, or maybe it's just the slack in this. I don't know, we'll make sure. Anyways, take these arms off and do a little bit of grinding and painting, clean this completely off. I don't know if I had to replace the seal in here, maybe. It's a lot of oil. We'll paint that matte black. Anyways, we got the frame pretty much done, and then we'll come up here, and can't wait to get those painted, get all that rust taken care of, and then the fun starts. We'll be running brake lines, fuel lines, getting stuff kind of squared away. I'm gonna get a sealing kit for the fuel tank, clean that up really good, maybe spray it with some of that matte black as well. And once we have all that in there, need to turn our attention to the engine, go through it. We got new lifters, a new cam to put in it, got a new timing gear we're gonna put on it, and probably get new rings. It has been bored over, and I don't think it was driven too long. There's not a ridge here, so I'm thinking that might be an all right engine. Debating on getting it Magnaflux, see if any cracks or not, but we'll worry about that later. I don't think the engine's gonna be too bad. Transmission is the other thing. I'm not to put it, I'm kind of not concerned, but just I think that's gonna be our biggest issue, is making sure this is good. Like I said, we'll get everything welded up, painted. All right, keep on getting texts this morning, phone calls. Anyways, like I said, we'll get this painted and drop it down, put it together. Hoping really to have this done by springtime. But I think that'll do it for me today. Feeling pretty good with the paint and everything. Just need to get somebody up here to help me kind of finish welding some key parts. Then we can continue on, which I think we can do a little bit of suspension up front, get all that painted and looking nice. But if you like this kind of stuff, please like, comment, subscribe. I post every Monday. We'll get this together and think we're at 925, so getting close to that 1,000 mark, which is pretty awesome. But anyways, hope we have a good week. I'll see you next Monday.